Nowadays, things are done with a computer. But imagine if there were no computers. Hi everyone, today you will learn how to code without a computer. Yes, really, it is called Unplugged coding. And it is all about solving problems, giving clear instructions, and thinking like a programmer. No device is needed, just your brain, your voice, and a bit of fun. Ready? Let's go!
So before we dive into the world of unplugged coding, we first have to understand what coding is. So coding is the process of writing instructions that tells the computer what to do. Now that we know what coding is, we now have to explain what unplugged coding is. So unplugged coding means learning coding ideas without computers by using paper, everyday objects, and spoken commands. It is a way to learn basic concepts of computer science and programming without actually using a computer. Computational thinking is a problem-solving process that involves logically organizing and analyzing data, breaking down problems into smaller parts, and creating a step-by-step solution to the problem. Now that we understand what unplugged coding is, we can now talk about computational thinking. So,
computational thinking is a problem-solving process that involves logically organizing and analyzing data, breaking problems into smaller parts, and creating a step-by-step solution to the problem. Lokho kusho ukuthi indlela yokuxazulula inkinga ngokuyihlukanisa ibe izingxenye ezincane bese wakha izinyathelo ongazithatha ukuxazulula le nkinga.
Now that we have prepared the steps, let's use them. So now you start from home facing south. This is your south. This means you are facing this way. You move forward to D2. Here's D2. After moving forward to D2, you turn and face west. You face this way, which is your west. Then you move forward to C2. This is C2. Then you turn and face south. The reason why you turn and face south because there's a strike in front of you. So you have to use another way. While you are facing south, you move 2 blocks forward to C4. And here is C4. Now you have to turn and face west, which is that way. And then you move forward 2 blocks to A4, which is this way. And then you have reached your destination.
Now that we are done with this example, let's move on to a more practical example whereby a boy is lost in the jungle and he wants to find his way out. Start at the starting point facing north. Move forward,